number 5!
This is my question. What is the greatest advice you can give to our Filipino youth today and why?
The greatest advice that I can give to the young generations, to the youth today, is that just be yourself, be natural, chase your dreams, never ever let anyone affect you. Never let anyone affect you with your words. Thank you.
Thank you po for the wonderful questions. The advice that I give from the young Filipino today is be yourself and always remember that may pamilyang naniniwala sa'yo, may mga kaibigan kang naniniwala sa'yo. Kaya kung magkakamali ka man,
Silence from the audience, please.
thank you.
Thank you for that wonderful question. Yung pong advice na manibigay ko sa Filipino youth is to be yourself. Kasi po, sa totoo lang po, I've experienced a lot of criticism based on everything po na ginagawa ko. Na-experience ko po yung ma-judge na you're not enough. But the best advice that I can give a young Filipino is to be yourself, to believe in yourself. Because I believe that you are not born to fit in. You are born to stand out.
Thank you for that question po. Ma-advise ko lang po sa mga youth ngayon is stay confident and what you are po. Kasi po kung papakinggan mo po yung mga sinasabi ng ibang tao, paano ka po uusad? Paano ka po makakasulong? Kaya ang pinaka-advise ko po talaga sa mga kabataan ngayon ay huwag niyo pong papakinggan yung mga sinasabi ng mga ibang tao. Be your own po, and I thank you.
For that wonderful question, the only advice that I can give to the people, to the Filipino, is to be true to her or himself. Because staying true is important and staying true is important, and I will always try to live with integrity, purpose, and kindness. When fulfilling your responsibility, I will embrace learning and growing while staying true to yourself.